Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to have a fun little video right here, and we're going to try and make some popcorn in the forge. And I'm going to try it a couple different ways, and we're going to see how it turns out depending on the way I do it. And for some reason I decided to buy the bags, and ended up getting some buttered popcorn, but nonetheless we're still going to try it. So I made this little pan thing that will fit into the forge, and I'm putting kernels into it, and we're gonna try and put it in there and see what happens, see if it works. So the first way we're gonna try this is we're gonna take a batch of kernels, and I just loaded them onto the middle of this pan thing that I made, and we're gonna put them all the way into the forge, so directly under the flame, and then we'll pull them out after maybe a few seconds. I'm just going to try whatever feels right, and we'll see what happens. And at this point, when I seen that the kernels started popping, I was actually really surprised, because I thought of all the ways that this would just burn the kernels to ash, and it in fact worked. The next way that we're going to try and make popcorn is we're going to put the pan inside the forge for a little while and make it to where it gets really hot, and then after that I'm going to put the kernels onto it and just let the heat from the pan cook the kernels and hopefully pop them. So I'm going to cut to where the pan is already hot, and I'm putting the kernels on there. I later came to find out that you do not need to make your popcorn at about 1500 degrees, because that's about what this pan was at, because the sides were glowing red, and basically all of these kernels turned to just soot. They were nothing, literally just dust. And a little while after that, though, I let the pan cool down more, and I got a much better result. It may be kind of hard to see, but what I was trying to showcase there was the amount of popcorn that was flying all over the floor. Oftentimes the kernels would pop and they'd just fly all over the place. And I did end up eating quite a few of these, and they tasted just fine, but it just needed salt. Well, if you did enjoy this video, I would really appreciate it if you leave a like, subscribe, or comment. And I really appreciate you watching throughout. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And thank you.